Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and good. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful plastic border crafts ideas. So I hope you are enjoying my video. So let's start today's video. Plastic bottle are one of the easy material to recycle with a pair of scissors, some glue, paint, and a little imagination. You can create wonderful diaper jet for every room in your home. One of the most popular ideas is making flower pot. Cut up a plastic bottle in half, decorated with colorful paint or fabric, and plant your favorite flower or herb. This handmade planter look beautiful on balcony, windowsill, garden, or kitchen shelves. Another creative project is making hanging planter. Decorate the bottle, add strong top, and hang it on a wall and fence. Fill it with colorful flowers, green plants to create a fresh and lovely garden display. Hanging bottle planter are perfect for small space because this save room will adding natural beauty. And weavers, one idea is springs. Weavers, so weavers, plastic bottle can also become attractive bird feeder. Cut small opening, add a wooden stick for birds to stand on, and fill the bottle with bird seed. Hang it from a tree. Enjoy watching different birds visit your garden every day. And the weavers, and friends, my next idea is weavers, friends. You can also make beautiful storage container. Decorate the bottle with paint, wrapping paper, jewel, lace, or colorful ribbon. These are perfect for keeping pen, pencil, makeup brush, straw, crafts, palette, kitchen tools, or swimming material neatly organized. So I hope viewers you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video.